Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 12 Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir during the last month of July. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, during the month 193 civilians, mostly Hurriyat leaders, youth, activists and students were arrested. Many of those arrested were booked under the Black Law Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, General Secretary of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, in a statement in Srinagar has said that the Kashmiris will observe 5th August as a Black Day in occupied Kashmir to send a clear message to India that New Delhi is an illegal occupier in the territory and Kashmiris reject its illegal occupation of their homeland. Satyapal Malik, the Modi government's former governor in occupied Kashmir, has revealed that the Bharatiya Janata Party government could repeat another Pulwama false flag operation to win general elections in 2024. Satyapal Malik, in a recent interview, said, "I fear these people could do any toward incident." Posters have appeared once again appealing to the people of occupied Kashmir to observe August 5 Yom-e-Istisal Kashmir as a Black Day. On August 5, 2019, the Modi regime revoked Article 370 that granted special status to the internationally recognized disputed territory and imposed a brutal military and police siege. The appeal was made by almost all Kashmir freedom organizations through their posters. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency and Counterintelligence Kashmir conducted raids at multiple locations across the Kashmir Valley, including Srinagar, and detained some people in the name of questioning. The NIA sleuths raided the residence of a youth, Zubair Siddiq Dar, in Srinagar and took him along to the police station. The NIA also raided the residence of another youth, Arshad Andrabi, in Budgam. An Indian army man of the Rashtriya Rifles committed suicide in the Budgam district on Tuesday. Indian army man identified as Mahesh Kumar took his life by hanging himself in a washroom at the old airfield transit camp area of the district. This has raised the number of such deaths among the Indian army troops and the police personnel to 575 since January 2007. People from all walks of the life, including farmers, continued the hunger strike at the Ranbir Singh Pura against the fleecing of the Kashmiris by the Modi regime in the name of installing smart meters and raising the power tariffs. Scores of the people, mostly women, came out on the roads to join the strike that has been going on for the last 9 days. Working President of Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has said that the Modi-led Indian government has failed to address the problems of the people. Speaking at a function in Samba, he said Congress has launched several protest campaigns to invite the attention of the government towards the plight of Jammu and Kashmir people amid the rising prices of the essential commodities. Compensation of rupees 5 lakh deposited in my account by the Indian authorities clearly shows my son was innocent, said Latif Magre, father of Amir Magre, who along with 3 other youth was killed by the Indian Forces personnel in Srinagar on 15 November 2021 after being dubbed as militants.